Alright, so today we're going to ride the Matterhorn again, but this time we're going to try to get on the left side of the track and show you how that looks in motion video. So don't go changing or I'll find you. There we go. See you, kid. Hello, future victims.
Safety. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the bobsled. Please, watch your kids. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tobogán. Los pequeños, diversión.
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Permanecer sentados, por favor.
See, that is why the snowman's mad. That's where they put him at the end of the night. Put him in there. They PO to the whole rest of the day. That's right. Oh my gosh, I'm getting too old for this crap. All right. Oh my gosh. It's like becoming a human pretzel. Ugh. Man, the left side is definitely rougher. Oh my gosh, let me get this. Let me get my hat a little more straightened out because oh my god, definitely rougher. I don't know how that came out, if it came out at all, because it was pretty rough. Oh man, I highly recommend if you can the right side. It's just so much smoother and better. You don't get that big drop, but other than that, oh my gosh, that was intense. So anyway, I'll keep giving you the POVs, these ride-alongs. I'll still keep you the 411. So don't you go changing or I'll find you. Oh my goodness.